Okay, but that number.
Bleachers, you want?
Yeah, bleachers. How much? 500.
1 you want to?
2 days flat, 2 days flat.
150 there the Pepsi, 150 water, $100 water here. Don't mind here, go buy it for $200, save back $50. Don't make them kill you cheap and premium.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. What's up, everybody? Alright, so today we're actually going to be doing an Independence drive out, alright? Yeah, so it's currently Independence Day here in Jamaica, and we're just gonna see if we can touch the streets and see what's happening, alright? I know they have the grand gala that's being held at the National Stadium. We'll probably pass by that location up at the stadium and see the vibe, you know, just have a look and see what the vibe is like up there, alright? So we're currently in Portmore. We're actually at the Edgewater roundabout in Portmore, and we're gonna be making our way to the National Stadium, as I said. Alright, Independence Day, yeah man. So the people them are foreign, big up on yourself. I know you have the little vibe to a foreign where you want to celebrate and them little thing that too, you know, you understand? Yeah man, so big up on yourself when you don't know Jamaica to the world, right? Yeah man, so we're there now, people. Yeah, touch the streets and see what go on, you understand? Yeah man. Right now if you're there at Jamaica, all roads lead to the National Stadium, I tell you now. Yeah, they say everybody in Jamaica gone right now. Them carry in front of me and they say them a go. Yeah man. And them people who come the other direction, them a go home to get ready for go. Yeah, so you don't know the thing go. If it's the first time you're actually seeing this video or seeing one of my videos, or first time you're hearing my voice or whatever, my name is 876 by birth, and I do driving tours around Jamaica on this channel. I also do tours outside of the car where I just show you stuff that's very interesting and has to do with Jamaica, you know, the whole Jamaican culture back then what we used to and all them thing there. Yeah, so that we deal with over here. So you understand, if you're a newcomer, like a first time viewer, welcome to the channel, you understand? Yeah, don't be shy. We have a little thing going on in the comment section where we drop a comment, whatever we feel like to talk about in the comment section pertaining to what we see go up on the streets. That's what we do, alright? I always respond, so nobody feel like you're gonna just comment and it gonna just go out in the world of comments and nobody's gonna see it. I'm gonna respond to you, you understand? Yeah man. And also just click the like button there, no? Yeah. You know YouTube work already, you understand? So you know this already. All of my favorite YouTuber always I tell you to do them little thing, and some I wanna do it, some I wanna don't do it. Well, right now me I ask you from you watch a video or you hear my voice, click the like button. If you can see if you click it. Yeah. And if you're not a subscriber to the thing, yeah man, you know what to do again. Yeah, so just subscribe to the channel, no? Yeah man. It's a vibe over here, so you know. Yeah, 876 by birth, as I say. So we in the vicinity of the Portmore Mall right now, about for head on the causeway. Yeah. Yeah man, the Portmore toll. That's what we about for head on right now. So I'm say a whole lot of people out right now. People are bringing them kids. All of them little things they are going on right now today. Yeah, them a got the Grand Gala to celebrate Jamaica 60. As you can see the bus stop, you see the people. Them, I tell you, them people at Grand Gala, them a go. Maybe some of them a come from work. But, yeah man, that's how the thing set, man. Yep. And as me say, I know the people them when they are foreign. I know who in a celebration mood too, you know. Yeah, I know when they take the celebration serious. Some people for Independence Day, them cook up big pot. Family and friend come over. All of them look at thing they go on. Yeah, I see some video with someone, you know. I go on and I do a bag of thing, you understand? So yeah man. Pick up on yourself and keep the Jamaican spirit alive even though only they overseas. Yeah, you see me? Whether you're there in the Americas, whether you're there in Europe. Could they all Australia, Far East, Asia, you understand? Now speak up yourself once you celebrate the independence, you don't know. Yeah. It's a good look as myself for Jamaica. Let me say Jamaica has been independent for 60 years now. A lot of persons will argue and say and ask if we're really independent. But no, them say we're not under a slave treatment. So as long as we're not under a slave treatment, you can't say we're independent. That's what they must say, yeah? Alright, so we're about to pay the toll. This Portmore toll here is $340. You can see it on the display, although the light might be flickering. Good afternoon. Thanks. Yeah, so it's 340. As I said, the light might be flickering because there's that thing with the LED and the cameras. With the lens, yeah, once it's the LED light, it flickers, but nothing is wrong with it. That's just how it is with the camera. Maybe some tech person can explain why that always happens, but yeah. So yeah, this is what the we can call it afternoon looks like in Jamaica right now. Earlier it was a pretty cloudy, like there were more clouds than this. It was kind of like a gloomy look. Yeah, it was kind of gloomy, you know. Yeah, but it turned out well. You know, the weather is great right now. Trust me, beautiful, and it's cool right now. Yeah, yeah man, it's cool right now. You know, hot and humid. I know it's summertime right now. For summertime right now, people live in the part of the world. So some countries me know say it's super humid. Yeah, like humidity turn up. Summer me know una burn up and then something there. But Jamaica cool. Jamaica is a vibe right now. You probably should take a trip, yeah. That's what you should do. And we just make sure we maintain the speed limit because most time the cops them go on with a bag of things out there. I want to know Jamaican story, police story go already. Yeah, them not interested in maintaining law, them want that thing. So like they really want to penalize if you go fast. I'm glad them catch you go fast so them can take a thing. Yeah, because the good police them do. Yeah, we are trying to do the work the right way, you know? Yeah. Cops them over the next side, over the right hand side. Hopefully you guys can see him. Yeah man, food them a look out there so. Them not maintain law order. Down the yard. Food them a look out there, food. Yeah. Them a look at holiday food. man stop out there so because he no want nobody wipe him glass. Yeah, the street with them. Wagwan. I swear. I never seen up Nina. We never seen up Nina, but Jenna. No disrespect. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bless up the general. Yeah, so the car that you see earlier, the SUV type, it stopped out there because he don't want nobody rushing his vehicle and wiping his car glass and all of that. He's about to pass me now. Let me slow down. Yeah, probably he's a female or so in there. I don't know. But, I mean, there's a whole lot of things with these guys, to tell you the truth. But, not all of them bad. I tell you, not all of them bad, honestly. Some of them cool, to tell you the truth. Yeah, some of them cool. Because him come and him ask for a thing and all of that, and honestly, I never seen a change or nothing. I not a change in the car or nothing, you understand? I say more money for buy ice cream and KFC for the kids. But you know, I tell him I don't have nothing and him say, alright, respect everything good. And him, you know? Yeah. Touch off him fist and say, yo, everything good, my brother. Yeah, so no all of them bad. I'm not going to tell a lie, but some of them, there's a whole heap of things with some of them. Some of them you can't even have your windows down and roll up like that and all them on your phone. Them grab it out of your hand and skip gone. And I tell you, yeah, something use something like the stoplight in a half a tree right where the parish church is. Use something regular right there. So people pull up, they on them phone attack and them grab it, skip and gone. You understand? Yeah. But when I go say the whole of them are the same thing. Some of them are pretty cool youth. And big man thing, I better them out as a wipe glass, you know. I'm not telling you a lie. I better them out as a wipe glass, people, call. You know, see how Jamaica set up right now and everything want to go on, right? Yeah, so if we can have some of the youth, them do some of them things, are the best thing that for we do. Yeah, less of them out there on the corner are feed into negativity. I better them out as a vibe and wipe 2 glass and collect 2 change, yeah? Yeah, man. So yeah, we're currently there on Hagley Park Road right now. Make our way towards the Harbour Tree side, but we're not gonna go exactly up in the Harbour Tree. I'm gonna turn on O'Mara Road, drive through Chisholm, go up Maxfield, them places, and then cut across Harbour Tree Road and go in New Kingston and take it around the way there. That's the direction I'm gonna head to. Yeah. Or maybe I should have go through Harbour Tree just to see the vibe in a Harbour Tree. Alright, not gonna do that. Yeah. I would have turned right here though. I would have made this right turn right up as well. But I'm gonna go through Harbour Tree and see the vibe. See if we see some people getting, you know, people heading to the Grand Gala and all of that. Yeah. I could do that. That's a shorter way though. This right turn right is upon O'Mara Road. Or the shorter way. But I'm gonna take it this way. I don't know if we'll see anybody still. Don't know if it's gonna be like jam-packed with people or, you know, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the stoplight that I'm talking about. Now, I'm not saying that all of the guys on this light are the same thing. Not saying that, but this light, trust me, you can't depend on your phone and pull up right to side. Huh? One time, the amount of phone them grab from people. Yeah, all right over the side, especially the side up on my right. Yeah, grab phone. Peer that the music go out, jump the fence, run through the cemetery. And if you know the community around there, so yeah, most of them around there them run go. Now I say them come from over there, but around there them run go. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, whole heap of experience. Whole heap of things we see, you know. As a youth at gala school, and you know, say half a tree at the central location. You know, a whole heap of things we witness when it comes to them youth that will wipe the glass, trust me. But for the most part, still as I say, most of them are good youth. Alright, so as you know, this is the transportation center. Yeah, in half a tree, yeah? So we're basically in the half a tree center, yeah, city center half a tree right now. Yeah. So I mean, it kind of look normal. It even look less busier than a regular Saturday, for tell you the truth. Looks really normal to me. I don't know if maybe a little bit later on, as we get closer to the starting time of the gala, if more people will be out here. But it look normal to me. Honestly, it does. Yeah, and as I say, it look a little less busier than a regular Saturday because people would have been out, you know, shopping or just, you know, kind of just going out. Bike man, they broke the stoplight. Yeah, me now stop on out bike man. He might broke that one here too. Oh, he might wait. Why am I wait? I do the right thing now? But yeah people, this is half a tree. And these people just walk across. Grand Gala them I go to. So as you know, on my right at Mandela Park, and we're now gonna go around here, take it for half a tree road. Yeah. This building on my left is Usain Bolt's building. I think there's a car center over there. But yeah, that's his. my left now is Emancipation Park. You can see the Pegasus Hotel as well. Yeah. So we're currently on Oxford Road right now, and we're heading straight to Arthurwin Drive. Alright, that's the road that the National Stadium is on. Yeah, Arthurwin Drive. So we'll be making this left turn, which is Arthurwin Drive. These officers them out. I don't know why they're here on this corner. I guess they're expecting an influx of traffic, so I guess they're just, you know, making sure that everybody abide by this thing here. And wow, the traffic starts here. Oh, I wonder how it is on Mountain View Avenue. Selling his flag. And a taxi man taking the right side of the road to go. And a car is coming. Oh, him just cut in front of somebody. And him cut out back again. Right side of the road. Which is actually the wrong side of the road. Yeah, because you know in Jamaica we drive on the left, right? Yeah. There's a bike police. Wonder if he'll be going for him. Probably. We don't know. I don't think so. He's riding rather casual. Somebody cursing. Just past the children's hospital. Somebody's cursing at the gate. Alright, so it seems like they turned this part of the road now in a one way. Alright, so we can go on the right side now. So I guess the taximan was aware of this. Okay.
can only go up.
So to my left, a guy was trying to make the turn to come to go the opposite direction, and police advised him that, you know, they turned this part of the road in a one way. So I guess he turned back as he's not gonna go in this traffic here. I mean, if you're heading, you know, to do some other business, I don't think it wise to be sitting in this traffic. You know, if you're not about going to see the grand gala. Yeah. Now, I see them with some flag where the color, because the Jamaican color is black, green and gold, you know. And I see them with some flag where I not gold that in the flag. I know gold. I mean, over the years we substitute the gold and have yellow, because like all, you look on this lady a shirt, I know gold, I yellow that. So we kind of substitute the color and we have yellow in it. And we work with it, and now them change the type of yellow. Alright, the one with the lady have not so bad. But them have somewhere in already. But them go with the color there. Like look on this, you see it? Yeah. There's one that I'm looking at on the police station. There's Stadium Garden Police Station is right there on the left, right up ahead. That have the real goal in it. That's so the flag for look. And that a really what color. This lady is well packed. She have her food for the kids. I don't know if up there, close at the Mountain View Avenue, they turn that one now into another one way, so I might have to turn. I'm not sure. But we'll see when we get closer. But I'll try to go as close as I can to the entrance, so you guys can get a feel of the vibe and everything, alright? Yeah. And we're basically at the National Stadium here. The National Stadium, well, the National Arena is to my right. Alright, so it's to the right of your screen. And as you know, the National Stadium is next door to it. So yeah. So if you look to the left of the screen, you probably can see the flag over in the police station there. Yeah, that's the goal. That's the color I know the flag have, you know. Yeah. But over the years they substitute it and they put yellow in there. And straight ahead of us, that hill, you know, that's Beverly Hills. Yeah, famous Beverly Hills. So just as I suspected, it seems like we all have to make this left turn here. Yep. Yeah, because they turn the other side into a one-way probably. So we have to make this left turn up here. Alright guys, so this is the closest I can get. I have to make this left turn, alright? Oh no, it looks like I can go this way, so I'm gonna go this way. Alright. Okay, so we can't pass the entrance. I see what's happening. Alright, so wind up the window a little bit, because I don't want no copyright. Oh my gosh. Yeah, people. Oh. It's a vibe over there though, people. I'm not lying, it's a whole heap of people over there. A whole heap of people over there. People them come out. Yeah, them say Jamaica turn 60. Yeah, so the people them come out, but it look like this bus ahead of us, it stopped to let off persons. Yeah, it look like that happening now. So that's why this traffic now is not moving. Alright, and I'm stuck with this music in the background, so you don't want to go in there. We're going to pump some AC a little bit because can't take no copyright claim right now. Yeah. Why nobody window them? people, so as you can see what's happening. Everybody's out here. Me did tell you, no? Alright, people. Come squaddy them. What I road, brother? Yeah, iron. Yeah, people. See the vibe. Police, pan horse, and all these things. Come on. Whole heap of thing, people. Alright, so you know, we go in this direction, but as you can see across the street, whole heap of traffic. Yeah, the whole of Mountain View, you know the vibe up there, so down there, so. Whole heap of traffic, people. Whole heap of traffic. Yeah, the Grand Gala is in full swing, full effect. Yeah. Jamaica 50, Jamaica 60. Yup.
Same time, picture, same time.
bleachers are your face.
Close and water, we are. Close and water. Wago grandstand. Grandstand. How much?
Okay, but that number.
Bleachers, they want?
Yeah, bleachers. How much? 500.
One you want to?
2 days flag, 2 days flag.
She come from upper where do you live?
Salmon. No, salmon.
Anything 150 here.
Close and water.
Come on. 150 here the Pepsi. 150 water. $100 water here. Don't mind me, I can buy it for $200, save back $50. Don't make them kill you cheap and premium.
They got the road, hot water.
Michael.
Yeah, man, people. Alright, so I think this is where I'm going to close off this one right now. Yeah. Yeah, man, I think this is where I'll close it off. Remember to press a like button there, yeah? And remember to subscribe. And I mean, come on, if you make it so far in the video and you know subscribe, why you wait for? Yeah, so just remember to subscribe. Alright? Yeah, remember to subscribe, people. Remember to touch up a like button. Alright, so we're basically at the top of Mountain View Avenue right now. Yeah, so this is at the top of Mountain View Avenue. So all who know Mountain View only know the bad part them. Yeah, this is the top part. So you see Mountain View run come straight uptown. Because we're at the foot of Beverly Hills right now. Alright? So yeah. Alright, my people, so we're gonna close off this right now. So I'm gonna drop the outro right here. So big up on yourself once more, and I'm grateful for the support as usual. And you know me appreciate it, alright? Yeah. Alright, so look a bit cool. Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching. And I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.